Extracting data from financial reports is complex and painstaking. Every report challenges analysts with numbers, definitions, restatements, notes, disclosures, and addenda, which can vary between every report for every company or organization. And that's before thinking about formatting, styles, and corporate phraseology, which will vary from year to year, project to project, and executive to executive. And well before we get to management spin and the media. With ever-increasing amounts of financial data, this leaves analysts sifting through mountains to extract the data they need. The alternative is third-party data providers, who still use manual labor and still rely on keyword matches to identify meaning and context. They are also limited in scope, prone to introducing human errors, and are always slow. And sometimes they even try to replace analysts rather than empower them. Exerica is a radically new approach to data extraction and analysis. It uses an advanced algorithm to extract an identical accounting structure for every report to save analysts hours of verifying, comparing, and matching numbers, structures, and statements. And it does this in seconds when applied to any financial report to provide values, meanings, and contexts which bestow clarity and perspective. Exerica starts by recognizing and extracting raw data from a financial report. It then structures that numerical data in tables to establish mathematical relationships between numbers. Financial and economic data is invariably presented as sums and breakdowns, with data points forming mathematical relationships. When every number relates to every other number, data integrity becomes much simpler and data points can be mapped. And linking data points of the original accounting structure to all notes and disclosures gives that data integrity, immutability, and lasting resonance. The data structure Exerica derives can then be accurately compared with like structures from any other financial reports, both through time and across sectors, enabling analysts to see a company evolve or relate to its peers. Matching every item with exactly the same analytical and accounting meaning, Exerica doesn't simply match headings. It is powered by numerical analysis and identifies financial parameters from the hierarchical structure of accounts to give words and headings meanings which have integrity and comparability. Exerica understands context of financial data. Exerica sees reports as analysts do. Exerica, unrivaled data integrity.